Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to extract data using Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we'll go on Power BI Query Editor. Click on the column from which the data is to be extracted. Right click on it and make its duplicate column. Now the changes which we want to do will make on the duplicate column, not on the original. So click here, extract first characters. So extract the first two characters, click OK, and you can see my has been extracted. Now Power BI Query Editor does not have any undo option. So instead of this, just you cross this and you will get the original data back. Now again click here, click on extract, last characters. Please extract the last 6 characters, click OK and you will get the results. Again cross it. Now extract, range. So you have to specify the starting index. Starting index means from where the extraction has to be started. So we want to extract the number. It starts from the index 23. So specify 23. How many characters are to be extracted? 3. Click OK. Done. Again cross it. Click on extract. Text before the delimiter. So here, if it's having a column, at the rate, you can specify that also. So I want the text before the delimiter. Let's see all the text which is before crores. Click OK. Again cross it. Press extract. Text after the delimiter. So the text which is after is. Click OK. You can see. So it has just taken this. Let's specify year. That will be much better. Extract year. Click OK. We can also specify the range. So click on extract, text between the delimiters, is and crores. Click OK. Done. So this is how you can extract data using Power BI Query Editor. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.